Skill it, yes. Hey, DJ Tunde. I give you a hand while you did nothing to you.
Come closer, oh.
Your head get on, your head get on.
Hey. And if you dey watch us now, this now Wazobia TV.
Hey. You know, say Shakara is being influenced by African China. So everything where they sing. Now that pattern, those kind of music they very easy to make. Of course. If you, I tell you now because now message.
I won't make one very soon.
At least you know anything you want to sing and go relate around your lifestyle, you know, women and the alcohol. What else do you do in your life, self? Comedy, women, and alcohol. What else do you do? Tell me.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the
Well, anyway, one person one line. I said they start with statement. Well. Do you preach? Yes,
I'm just happy, man. If
you just fire down, you know, say I say BOBO'S YARN we dey here.
So we
dey carry the whole matter constant every night. We dey song today, another specific day again. We don't come join now. And I know say the last time I tell them, I say I know if he day without my criminal step. Then they here. Shakra.
Afana. Yes, it's some days to a lesson.
I want one Shakara at the Akwa Ibom Stadium.
Why you want the one Shakara and Akwa Ibom Stadium?
Anytime when Shakara go watch ball, and they watch for that Akwa Ibom Stadium, Nigeria they always lose.
Ew.
Now me carry their leg, they play the match.
Why we always lose for that? So you don't waste your energy.
But wait, I know the thing do me somehow because yesterday, even when I watch the match, I don't see what those boys they be play.
I don't watch the game. I just yesterday and lose. I say
I don't see what in Yama 100 cap.
When they celebrate 100 cap.
If you see the goal,
the game was for his 100 cap.
No. But that game marked in 100.
But it was a friendly game.
Yes.
How many goals then takes score?
1-0.
Who will play?
82nd minute.
Uganda.
My brother.
See, the boys they were playing rubbish.
Are you serious?
Funny enough, now when they interview...
Who be the boys?
When they interview on a governor. Akpa. I think the boys are just playing with them for the first half. We'll give them 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. So, that 9 minutes, as the coach scored the goal, I came in and I can't go pick her where he's
see his face. That's it.
Yes, Abeg, this one don't bring us. This football matter don't bring us to the matter we want to talk about today. This matter, now waiting I know say a lot of people they do them and they don't understand them. So I really want make people understand this matter today. Okay. Friends with benefits and friends without benefits. Which one pay to get? If you're never ready today, to get. If you're never ready for relationship. Friends with benefits or friends without benefits?
Which one?
Friends with benefits, man. Kai, malam. Anna Tembea question very simple answer. Friends with the benefit, man. If we are not dating, I'm not dating you, then friends with benefit, when I want to enjoy,
when you want to muke?
Then when I want to muke, I'm okay.
You don't want to muke?
Then if you want small thing, like recharge card.
No
I can send for you.
No small
thing. But you know friends with benefits a demand pass.
Because that's the word. That's the word now. Benefit.
No. Hold on. Oh yes. See.
Yeah. Friends with benefits a demand from you pass.
No.
Like you get babe now, you know they date and they crank.
Both of them fit demand. Whether without benefits, that's why we prefer the one with benefits. Because girls will demand whether you are doing or not. So I prefer to have friends with benefits, not to have friends without benefits. Why won't you benefit from something in a relationship? If this our friendship is not bringing anything, I will this friendship you.
So your own friendship is either is bringing money, connection, or cranking.
Look, there's only one thing the girl can give me.
What is it?
But let's really define. Let's really define these benefits. You know, when you say friends with benefit, that benefit, what did they come on our mind straight? Sex and money.
That no.
Yes,
but really.
Friend where you and him, they come. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Friend where you and her know the crank. She know they ask you for money and on the crank. But on a just be friends. She
be friends without benefit.
Be friends without benefit.
Yes.
But if she they give you connection, You know, like me, what they event now. Me, what they event now. Maybe
the context, no, that's safe. The context of when they say friends with benefits.
Is that benefit?
Benefits for this context where they always use
is sex and money.
No, sex.
No, and money. Look at you.
No, money.
What will be the benefit to the girl side?
No.
But you know, say
the money is constant in the two of them.
No, you know, constant in the two of them.
My friend, your friend is
wait.
You know one thing.
Wait. You know, constant. See, you know, constant in the two of them.
I said why did they use that frame?
It's sex. It's
why did they use that?
Sex and money. That benefits.
No.
It's sex and money.
There's no friend that will tell you that a female will say, "I want you to be my friend because I want to be giving me money." It doesn't there. He's not there. What are you telling me?
To benefit.
For just money.
Before, you know, say sometimes, before woman go even start to demand from you, it go mean say something don't they go on. It's either you guys are
that's the real meaning. You don't know the real meaning. The real meaning of friends with benefits is sex and money.
That is.
You got to say only
sex.
Okay, then what will be the benefit to the girl?
Oh,
because you own your friends benefit.
So all this while, when you dey crank, you dey feel that only you dey benefit.
See, the
notion. So girl now we all do on her own now. Say she won't get friends with benefit.
Just cranking.
They did well. They're telling me.
Now money.
My brother, I say some their girls. So girl will get money ko.
If you
girl will get money ko.
Girl will get money. They the other side now. The guy.
Listen, if you date one of these, for instance now, you date Genevieve, or your girlfriend, or our girlfriend, Dominic.
Yeah, we get money now. Sugar mommy, which one be on our girlfriend?
Hey, if I date with a Dominic now,
how you go date with a Dominic? You know if you call on that person.
Like who?
But wait, now illustration they give now.
No, use it with a Dominic. Use person where they date a day for imagination. You use another example. Small thing that they make me vex.
But really,
no, wait. So if you're dating a girl now that has money, or a girl that wants to be cranking you,
but the point is this: I want to make you know. See, you go need know am. Say, the friends with benefits where they all over the world, money and sex.
I don't know about money.
For woman,
I know sex.
Wait, for woman, guy side. Money they involved, they go the girl side. For woman, we say get money, we say she dates guy.
Do you know
money
the reason why they have
side.
Friends?
So it be.
Do you know why they have friends with benefits and friends without benefits? Friends without benefits or friends with benefits. Now those kind people most times are girls. They would do more because you know we guys for Nigeria here. If we tell any girl say I want to be your friend with benefits, the meaning is this. You don't want any strings attached.
No commitment.
You don't want any commitment. How many Nigerian girls will you tell that you want friends with benefit? We agree. So instead that the girls self, now they even crank you. So they don't ask for anything.
Say, make we just the crank.
Yes. The girls they don't pass.
I don't see one young lady one particular time where say she dates one dude, but then they see themselves regularly on a weekend basis. But no strings attached. Come, crank, and go. But when she come, crank, before she go, change the drop.
Wait, the drop change.
The guy.
Who won't drop on
you see, let me tell you, that one is not friends with benefits. That's a proper arrangement. You don't be like saying they give a shower money. You don't clearly know.
No,
when once money,
the babe no be
when once money, I'm not saying
the babe no be
like.
The babe
I say it be like.
You don't understand.
Let me tell you one truth. If I know, say I dey come your house, I can't crack, you can't give me money. I'm coming because of the money. But friends with benefits, when they come to crank, the girl self.
But the money is still the benefit.
No, the girl they come because she self knows that she wants the sex. And the guy one day is an understanding.
But the money said
if you give,
the money no be like understanding say something where we say they agree. Now something where the guy they do. They know they agree. Now what the guy they do?
You know they talk say you give money or anything.
You know they talk.
No, now you know what talk.
After the sex. Money must drop because
no, it mustn't drop. It mustn't drop.
Your girlfriend.
No, it mustn't drop. It mustn't drop.
Even if the money no drop that time of the way the in-hand take happen, like later the girlfriend just ask you say, I need money for so thing, but no be girlfriend.
Yes, then you can give, no problem.
And then be the friends with benefit what they talk.
Don't be say as I did for us now. I say, oh, my friend benefit they come. Oh, hi, I no get money. I need to arrange 20K. No. I don't need to think anything. My friend, I also say, as you come, this is.
I maybe could go for street. Maybe we ask people for street. Wait till they think about this matter. You say for you day for house, they crack your head. They think, which one if you say pay you, friends with benefits or the ones without benefits? Will they come back? Now see Bobo's Yarn.
The benefit now they okay for me.
Friends with benefit now ain't good pass.
At the one way benefit now. That one is nonsense. For me, it's nonsense.
It depends the benefit.
I don't see why we go there for relationship for benefit reason.
I can't friend a woman, just because of money he has. And I believe a woman friend me because of my money, he don't love me. I believe in natural love, normal.
Your friend person, and that person is only need benefit from you. He doesn't like you. That means the friend is not your friend.
Friends with that benefit, that one, now wait me, I go choose.
The friend with benefit, good. And a friend without benefit, I think there's no friend. You understand me? When you friend somebody, you will need benefit. And make sure that, I think friend with benefit is good.
Friends without benefit, you don't get anything to gain, you don't get anything to lose.
If you get friends without any benefits, because we make friends who benefit from them. We make friends who seek advice. When you're having a girlfriend or a guy as a friend, it's for advice, not all about going out, drink and do all that. It's when you are in needs, that somebody can advise you. You can bring your problem. You can even easily bring your problem to your friend or girlfriend, and she tell you what to do.
With a good benefit, or not be wrong benefit, or with a good benefit, where both parties go fit grow and become better.
Even if you date person and then you dey in love with the person, one thing or the other guys attract you to the person. If not be waiting there upstairs, it go be the face or some other things where you feel came from the person. You go out these days before you see person who go just love you without anything. So friend with benefit now be the best.
As normal human being now, there are ways we can assist one another, but we are not coming. We know they come for this relationship. Say, we they come say, now waiting you get, now bring me, or now waiting me I get, now bring us together. You understand me? So for that way, now that can one when me I like as a person.